Hey guys, I have some pork carnitas sauce here, and today I'm going to make some taco meat in a slow cooker. So let's get cracking. I tried this out the other day and it turned out pretty good. This is just 2 ingredients, a package of this this is called Frontera garlic pork carnitas slow cook sauce. This is the brand I used the other day. I've seen several other brands of this as well, so I imagine different areas of the country would carry different brands, but this Frontera one is the one I'm using. It says to use 2-3 pounds of boneless pork shoulder. So I got some country style ribs for this. This is these were $2.49 per pound, 3.53 pounds. So this package of pork was $8.79. So just let me get this opened up, and I'll trim off some of that excess fat and get it in there with the sauce. It says to brown these first, but what I did the other day is just threw everything in the pot, let it get tender, and then put it under the broiler in my toaster oven when it was done. So I'm just going to do that. The sauce says to add half a cup of water as well, but I didn't do that the other day, and I thought it was fine. I didn't think it was overly strong because it makes a lot of liquid as it cooks. Now I'm going to cook this on low until everything is tender. I'll let you guys know how long that takes. It has been 7 hours, so let's check on this. That looks pretty tender to me. It looks like it'll flake apart. A couple of these pieces have bones in them, so the bones ought to pull out. Yeah, it looks like that's pretty tender. Yeah, bone pulls right out. It's hot. Okay, I'm going to grab some out and put it under the broiler real quick. The meat actually tastes pretty good just like that. Needs a little bit of salt though. So you could eat it just like that if you don't have an oven or a stove to brown it up with. But I think browning it will give it just a little bit more flavor and a little more texture. Just kind of break it up a little bit like that, and then maybe spoon on just a little bit more of that juice over the top of it, and I'll get it into my toaster oven. I moved my oven rack all the way up to the top there, and instead of using broil, I'm going to use the highest toast setting, which is number 7. Look how nice that meat looks now. It has a nice crust on the outside. Let's make a taco with it. I warmed up this little street taco tortilla in a pan, put on a little bit of salsa, sour cream, and lettuce. So let's try this baby out. That is good. I gotta make a couple more of those. Annie's been dancing around trying to get a taste here. I'll give her a taste and see what she thinks. There's a chunk for you, Annie. She actually had to chew that a little bit. That turned out real good. I cooked that for 7 hours on low. So if you cooked it on high, probably about 4 hours maybe. Probably right around there, 4 or 5. And if you want to use your big oven to broil the meat, just use a cookie sheet and just spread it all out on the cookie sheet and, you know, broil it in your big oven. But like I said, it actually tastes pretty good just right out of the pot, but broiling it gives it a little more crispiness and just a little bit more flavor, I think. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description. It's only 2 ingredients. You guys can handle that. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.